soon? We'll make this a short trip. We'll make this a short trip. It is pretty late for you. What do you think about this guy? What do you think about this? Oh yeah, you like that. Okay, we're getting that. I feel badly for him, but you have to remember he's just a coconut, right? Isn't that right? Just a coconut. I keep moving around while I'm trying to look at things. It makes it difficult to follow you. All right. Yeah? Okay. Yeah. You're my bug. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'll walk faster. I'll walk faster. Yeah? What do you think of this? You just like the tag? Well, let's not chew on the tag. You're so cute. Okay. 2 more aisles and we're out. Nothing in hardware. That's disappointing, huh? That's disappointing. Yeah? Okay, you don't think we're going to find much today, huh? You're right. We only have 2 things. It was still fun, though. Got to go to the post office. That was a good time. Ooh, I like these. That's for Mama. What do you think about this? Benji. Benjamin. Hey. Wow, you are just studiously not looking at that.